Let's dive into the fourth myth about investing. We are coming from a place where we are told, invest in the traditional things. Yeah? Leave all these new sexy assets because they are not safe. This traditional assets will always be the safest. What are traditional assets? Like land, putting money in a SACCO. I can see how you're looking at me. Buying bonds, Treasury bills. Those are common. Buying shares in the stock exchange. That's the riskiest you can ever get. What do Gen Zs think about this?
Okay.
Especially in this era of bitcoins and other digital assets.
This is gonna be a tough one because it's 50-50.
It's 50-50.
It's 50-50.
Yes.
The ones we disagree on, we disagree.
Yes.
We disagree completely.
Yes.
Like SACOs and land. No. But
okay.
this just immediately no.
So let's deal with okay.
Yeah.
Deal with one at a time.
Yeah. So traditional assets to us right now does not make any sense because we've had this discussion even before I fully understood the difference between the different financial institutions and services. Like now we have SACOs and investments, etc. I still had a lot of questions about SACOs and if they actually have any profit. Only for actually you, Pius, to educate me and tell me how SACOs actually they give you a loan and it's not like that your money is actually working for you. It's not for your own benefit. It takes a lot of time before even you get money out of a SACO. To be honest, I've seen the struggle as well with my mom.
Yeah.
With her trying to get, I won't say the SACO, but getting money from there.
Yeah.
She did get it from my loan.
Yes.
And
you can get the loan, but you cannot get your money.
You cannot get your money. She got
easily. Yes.
She got the loan, and I felt like that was such a struggle with her, even before she actually got that money in her account. So that's why I'm saying immediately no. I just don't see that makes any sense. I don't think it carries a lot of value for a person who's looking to multiply their money and actually do investing. I don't think SACOs is the best way to go, in my own opinion, my own POV. Now, to go to traditional assets like the T-bonds and the Treasury bills, the T-bills, here's what I'll say, we will stick there.
They still make a lot of sense to Gen Zs.
They make a lot of sense.
Yes.
Just understanding the value that these assets carry and these assets have. So us as Gen Zs, remember, we are looking to multiply our money and become financially free as quickly as possible. Like, that's our perspective and that's our goal. So, honestly speaking, putting your money in Treasury bills and Treasury bonds is safe. They are long-term, meaning that you have an opportunity to, one, put your money in an asset that is safe, like a Treasury bill, and still get that flexibility that you want and have access to your money because you'll access the Treasury bill maybe using a money market fund. Then Treasury bonds, if you access it using a fixed income fund, which is more understandable for a person like me who's new to investing, I'd say it gives me more value because I know my money is there for long term. It's going to give me freedom, and that to me is just beneficial. So I'll stay with the T-bill and the T-bond.
The T-bills and the T-bonds.
Yeah.
Let me revisit SACO. Surely, some of us, maybe you are even educated using SACO money. You're not. Are you a member of a SACO?
No, I'm not.
You're not.
Yeah.
And you have no intention of being.
Never been.
When you have conversations with your fellow Gen Zs, what do they say about SACOs?
You see, I'll be honest here.
Yes.
As Gen Zs who went into the job market, to be honest, when we were at our very first jobs, we were told to put our money in SACOs. I didn't because I did not understand the value it carried, and I'm so happy I was skeptical. But you find that the discussions we have with our employers in some places of work, they do not fully divulge the benefits and the cons of investing your money in a SACCO.
Okay.
They just tell you, we as a business, we put, our employees put their savings in this particular SACCO. So you go there as a Gen Z, you just started making money at 24, and you're like, I don't want to be poor, so I might as well follow what the old people are doing and put my money where they're saying I should put it, right? Only for you to see that the only benefit you have from that is more loans.
Is getting more loans.
You're not free. You just continue to tie yourself in this noose that you'll never break free from. So that's why I am very I am anti-SACCO. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Land?
That discussion, I think it's been settled. No. Yeah. The value there as well, especially if it's not productive, then it has no value.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming then Gen Zs are pro money market funds.
Yes.
They are pro exchange traded funds.
Yes.
They are pro real estate investment trusts. They are pro this
crypto
financial assets rather than real estate assets.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they are more, Gen Zs are more inclined towards intangible assets more than tangible assets.
Yes.
Yeah. Any particular reason?
I can't really say any particular reason. I think the main one would be that the traditional, some of the traditional investment assets have just, they're outdated and they no longer carry value moving forward for your money. And that's why we're just looking for better opportunities. And also these better opportunities are starting to make a lot of sense for us as Gen Zs. Yeah.
And it seems to me like the money market funds, exchange traded funds, and some of these financial assets are the new safe.
Yes.
For Gen Zs.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for us, it's, if you can give me opportunities to global markets, then I'm down for it.
You're down for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And safety is not safety to Gen Zs is not seeing with your eyes. It's about access to liquidity.
Yes.
It's about risk alignment. I can take this risk or I cannot take this risk. It seems like you have a deeper appreciation of what real safety is compared to where we are coming from, where safety for us meant I need to see it with my eyes to believe that it is there. If I can't see it, it is stolen or it doesn't exist.
I think it's our risk appetite that made the previous generations call us naive and gullible, because we were the ones who would gravitate towards assets like crypto and Bitcoin very easily compared to the previous generation, and we were called naive and gullible because we were going for things that we could not see. We could go to a company like Nabo and say, I want my man. So I think that switch is something that Gen Zs are now standing out. We have a better risk appetite and we are going for those assets.
Okay. Wow. So I think it means for SACCOs, they need to rethink their model.
Yes.
They need to reimagine their offering and make it more relevant to the Gen Zs. Otherwise, they're going to face a very tough time going forward, because you are the biggest market and you are the future of the market. So and I think that's a very important point. You don't need to see your investment to know that it is working. That's the new mindset. That's the new mindset.
And they think they better start rethinking their models, because even the generation behind us is not going to be any easier. So
Yeah.
if people don't start rethinking models and looking how they can spread opportunities outside, the Kenyan market, etc., they're going to lose the coming up investors. Yeah.
So I think for those people who are running businesses, we really need to reimagine our business models and make it relevant for Gen Zs. Think digital, think data-driven products, and the future will be yours, because the Gen Zs, they're the biggest market. See you in the next video.